A few days ago, I was going down the rabbit hole about one of the most problematic Hollywood productions of all times, Nintendo's 1993 Super Mario Bros. Movie. But we're not here to talk about that disaster. Instead, I want to talk about the most disgusting and horrible dark pattern I have ever seen. And that's this cookie dialog on Collider's website. Quick refresher on dark patterns. A dark pattern intentionally makes things difficult for the user in order for the other party to get the desired behavior. In this case, making sure that the website's ad trackers stay enabled. At a first glance, this doesn't look so bad, right? Well, let's have a closer look. First off, this screen purposefully makes the accept all option the most prominent thing on the dialog. That's strike number one. If we try to work around the dialog and attempt to interact with the website, it's just not possible. We cannot even scroll through the page. That's strike number two. If we want to actually disable the trackers, we need to click on these two buttons at the bottom of the dialog, Purposes and Partners. If we click on Purposes, we already have 9 options to disable. That's already too much, and if you're keeping count, we're on strike number 3. But it doesn't end here. They purposefully have a Save and Exit button at the bottom of the screen to trick you into clicking that. But if you do that, then you'll be missing this insanity in the Partners section. That's strike number 5 billion. As you can see, the list is insanely long. I've already disabled some of these options, but if you want to disable every single one of them, then you'll have to spend a lot of time here. I gave up after 5 minutes, but I was nowhere near the end. The list just goes on and on. I cannot even describe how disgusting this is. So yeah, if you didn't know already how horrible dark patterns can be, well, now you know.